if you're thinking about joining Outsource School Insider, what would I share with you as my friend? For me, time is really valuable. And I actually do a lot of training on time, how to redeem time and all of that stuff. And what Nathan and his team have done is put together consolidated trainings that are easy to start and finish in one setting, and then share with the people in-house on your own teams that actually need the information so that you can get things done. Okay. I like to get things on my desk and off my desk. So that's what I would share with you. For me, it's been a time saver. I'm not, Googling how to hire a VA. I'm not Googling how to do standard operating procedures or paying somebody, one of my in-house teams, to do that at, $35 an hour or $30 an hour. So that's been hugely helpful. And I actually think we've become more profitable because of it. My favorite part of being an Outsource School Insider, really simple, the diversification of the training. So there's a whole section on developing your standard operating procedures and then the software to be able to do that. That's huge. And that's been really helpful because we have been clunking along using Camtasia and screen share things and then taking them to the editing and doing all of that. And so that is presently my favorite part, but also the diversification of all the trainings, that we're able to jump between different things that we might need and then get different people on our in-house teams up and running on that. So the diversification, and specifically the standard operating procedures, because that's where we were always getting stuck.